Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how you can make separate folder for each student for ILP. Like for example, whether it's for maths, English or Urdu, first of all you will go to the share drive, then on 2024 to 2025 and then ILP's folder, and then we are going to click on class in which grade you are teaching. I am going for grade 5, and then for different subjects, for example I made it for one of my student, and similarly Urdu teacher will be making her own folder for that student, plus and then new folder, and then Mara create. Yes, you can see the folder has been created for that particular student. Now you are going to upload the file or evidences of that particular student and for that particular subject. It depends in which subject that student is ILP. So this is how you are going to upload a file from here, and that's it. And you can make different folders for different students. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.